Lesson planning in progress. I've already had 2 lessons today. Nice lesson planning, very short. And then we are going to eat something because we are hungry and we're gonna be thin as fuck if we don't eat. So, and after I've got 4 more lessons. How many lessons have we got? 2. I got 4 more.
Well, my next lesson isn't until like 2 o'clock now, so I've got a huge gap.
Yeah.
Like a 2.5 hour gap now.
Yeah.
But I need to do lots of lesson planning. So.
Yeah, I need to do lesson planning. I got 4 more lessons today and they are all grade 4, so they are all the same. So, but they love the pig. They love the pig. They love the pig. Ah, no. No! Look at the pig there. Oh no. No. No, pig, come back. Put the pig down. You don't like the pig. Ah. Right. This is food time. This is lunch, yeah. It's got decent this time. Although I'm not really sure what that is. I'm not sure. It looks like fish, it looks like aubergine, it looks like everything. Not sure if it's meat, not sure if it's plant. What does it taste like?
It tastes like a plant, but it's definitely got little bits of meat in it, you see?
Yeah, I need to avoid that. Apart from that, it's cake, egg soup and tomato, banana, something, some roots. Yeah. It's quite decent to be honest, especially for free. So, it's good. Let's eat, Kate. Right, 6 lessons almost in a row, but 4 in a row. So, to be honest, I've already lost, you know, that like these are 4 in a row. It was a nightmare because at the same time it's pointless because I had it twice here in this room, and then I had to move to the room just right next to here, and I had to come back here, and both rooms are empty. So what was the point for me to move over there? Like, no point. But anyway, just it's hardcore. This is grade 4 science, and the kids are like, some of them are really good, but some of them struggle so much, and the pig is absolutely traumatized because they just drag the pig. Oh, they drag the pig, but the pig is doing well. The pig is really keeping the class engaged. Or maybe actually, I think once I show the pig, I think they think that like, oh, this is fun, and they just all go mental.
Yeah, that's probably it.
So the pig actually make them also very engaged and very entertained, but at the same time, very, what's the word? Just pull it down. So the pig also makes them very, like, excited, so they go mental here. Absolutely mental. This is it. When our school was built in 2016, they started clearing the area, and they worked day and night. So in 2017 they had a estate already. Well, we're coming together nicely. Oh yeah. And here it's pretty much done. Well, like, look around. It's awesome. Awesome school, isn't it? I love this school. It's just some of the things are a bit weird. Hoop. Oh, I managed to pull it. So 1 more day left.
And then 2 days off!
And 2 days off, weekend! Yes! We are actually looking forward to the weekend for a change. But at least we have the weekends off.
Yep.
Whereas the Chinese people, they don't really have. And even some kids come in even on Sunday.
Yeah.
So
Sunday school.
Sunday school. Right. I think we can cross over in a minute. I think now. Is it in green? It's green, come on. Green. Zebra crossing, the car is on the zebra. Here they don't give a shit. And at the same time the cars are coming. Coming from everywhere, so...
And a moped behind us.
And a moped behind us. Okay. Exciting.
Exciting.
Exciting. Oh, a long day. But it's good, actually, it's very good to have like a long day, because then at least we have some other days where it's just really easy.
Yeah, like tomorrow, I finish at 11:30.
I finish at 11:30.
Yeah, so
I have 3 lessons in the morning though.
same. Yeah, so we both do like 9:30 to 11:30, then we're done.
Yeah,
So
that's
we
it.
can have lunch and then go home.
9:30 to 11:30, 2 hours and we go home.
But then it'll be lesson planning so that I don't have to do it over the weekend.
Yeah, well, yeah, I have to do the PPTs. So I've already started one. I'm gonna do 2 more. I mean, the second one maybe today, and there is 1 more for tomorrow, and they can fuck off. That's all I can say. Okay. KJ!
Hello! No running, babe. It's slippy.
Yeah, there are some bloody nails here. I tripped over it last time.
Wasn't that like the first day we walked to school and you tripped
Yeah.
over some nails?
Fucking nails.
Oh dear.
Oh. Okay, let's go home.